the lower jaw. طبعا here we are going to zoom into that area or this area to see what's happening. طبعا at the side of the tongue. Here, طبعا this is a cross section through Michel's cartilage. All right. And we see bone formation at the lateral aspect of Michel's cartilage, or the outer side of Michel's cartilage. And this is a proof that Michel's cartilage is not going to become the body of the mandible. All right? If Michel's cartilage is going to become the body of the mandible, then we will not see the bone located at the outer side of Michel's cartilage. فبالتالي the function of Michel's cartilage is not just to guide the formation of the mandible or the body of the mandible at its lateral sides. We can see two plates of bone. This is one plate and this is another plate. طبعا these are called the alveolar plates of bone. طبعا one is buccal, one is lingual. If you like, one is outer, one is inner. One is lateral, one is medial. Whatever you like to name them, that you have to understand that these are part of the alveolar bone, okay? And this part here is the body of the mandible, and this is the body of the mandible, and this is the alveolar process. This is how the alveolar process forms. First of all, we have two plates. Then, between these two plates, we have all the teeth forming, okay? Then, bone starts to fill all the spaces between these two plates. All right. So here there is a tooth that is going to form. That's why this tooth needs some innervation. Okay. This tooth needs a nerve. This is the nerve. خلينا نشوفه. This is a cross section through the inferior alveolar nerve, which is a branch of the mandibular division of the trigeminal nerve. خلينا نشوفه بالتكبير. And you see, this is the nerve, cross-section of the inferior alveolar nerve. And this is also a proof that all the time, neural tissues, they develop very early, okay? Neural tissues, they develop before bone. They are among the first tissues that form. Remember how the fast development of the neural tissue leads to changing the orientation, okay? Or the direction. يعني if you remember in the two-layer disc. شباب والله هون إذا أنتم مش انترستد يعني إحنا ما مش مسجلين حضور الرياض. إذا أنتم مش انترستد عادي ما في عندي أي بروبلم. يا شناج لو سمحت بلاش أحكي مع قريبك زميلي. أوكي تفضل. لا شناج اللي هون مش شناج أنت؟ لا مش أنت الشاب اللي هون. طيب لو سمحت والله. فبالتالي neural tissues, they are among the fastest growing tissues. Because of that, because of the fastest growing of the brain, for example, the longitudinal folding يعني, takes place. Because of that, يعني, the original sequence, which is liver, heart, mouth, brain, is يعني, reversed. بسبب هذا الصفات. Because neural tissues are fast growing, also nerves appear early, okay, in any tissue. That's why we see here the inferior alveolar nerve. طبعا this is the inferior alveolar nerve even before tooth formation. يعني بمعنى آخر السن بيكون قبل ما يتكون النيرف بتاعه جاهز، اوكي؟ زي مثلا والدك لما يحكي لك انت في التوجيهي قبل ما تنجح في التوجيه سيارتك جاهزه، بس انت عليك انك تنجح. لكن انت ما تنجح تروح عليك السياره. هذا السن يا جماعه هي النيرف تبعه جاهز، بس عليه انه هو يتكون وبياخذ النيرف. alright؟ تخيلوا كيف؟ فبالتالي here we have the lateral plate, the lingual plate, okay? And this is a developing tooth. alright? طبعا خلينا نيجي على upper jaw. What do we have here? We have the primary epithelial band dividing into vestibular lamina and dental lamina. ممكن أجيب لكم هذا السلايد. تخيلوا مثلا أحكي لكم is this side buccal or lingual? buccal طبعا. فقط لأنه يعني this is يعني تشوفوا كيف الdental lamina عليها condensation. Alright? vestibular lamina دائما ما في reaction. Vestibular lamina is not going to interact with the ectomesenchyme. فقط it is going to be hollowed out, leaving a space. مش هيك اللي هو الأورال vestibule. That's why it is buccally. هذه اللي هي lingual division اللي هو dental lamina. حيصير في ectomesenchymal condensation. دائما بيكون في reaction because we have an interaction between ectoderm and mesoderm here, leading to tooth formation. فبالتالي this is vestibular lamina and dental lamina. Okay. طبعا هذا السلايد برضه كمان important عليه مجموعة من الأسئلة. فقط هلا هون في عندنا two sides. The two palatine processes are fused as a midline. Some of the epithelial cells can be entrapped inside the fusion lines. ممكن يكونوا موجودين داخل الفيوجن لاين زي ما احنا هلا راح نشوف. هذه عبارة عن epithelial cells شايفين. أحيانا بعض الepithelial cells بتدخل في الفيوجن لاين بين التو palatine processes. هلا next slide.